Edo Governor Obaseki don dey honoured with the 2023 Vanguard Personality of the Year Award in recognition of remarkable achievements as Edo's herdsman for the last 7.5 years, transforming various sectors of the state's economy and placing the state on a steady pedestal for sustainable growth and development. People wey gather represent Obaseki for the colourful ceremony wey shele for Eko Hotel and Suites Victoria Island, Lagos na Edo First Lady Dr. Bessie Obaseki, Chief of Staff to the Governor Osaibovo Iyoha, Edo State Head of Service Antonio Kombowa, among other top government ogas. Receiving the award on his behalf, the Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo come talk say the award na reflection of the government's outstanding multi-sectoral performance over the past 7.5 years wey don reposition the state as one of Nigeria's leading investment destinations.
When an award of this nature is given to somebody, either an individual or a group of people, is even attributed to a state, it tells a story of positive transformation over the past 7.5 years of the initiative brought by His Excellency Governor Obaseki in the area of education. I'm sure you listened very meticulously. Vanguard has demonstrated once again that the governor has done so well, and we hope that he's going to get a successor that will even surpass his achievement. Yes.
Edo State Head of Service Antonio Kombowa and Commissioner for Road and Bridges Ethan Ozemere wey talk to Tori people come talk say,
Mr. Governor and the government of Edo State have been fantastic. We have been applauded everywhere, both within and outside of this country, for the things that have been done, the transformation that has happened in the basic sector education. And that's been extended now to other sectors. And it's just that it didn't say the other things. There is a lot that this government has done. There's a lot that Mr. Governor has done. And I'm here as head of service. The transformation that has happened in the public service in Edo State is second to none.
You can see His Excellency is somebody that deals with a lot with planning. I think when he got into being a governor, he saw some of the root cause of the issues we have in Edo State, even in Nigeria as a general. So, he focused a lot on, planning and fixing the basic issues like the basic education system, which is one of the awards he's given here today. So that has been a journey, planning and attacking the problem from the root cause, which is the basic side.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Lagos, Chidinma Onwebu, TMC TV News.